Good afternoon, all. Perhaps one of the most striking lifestyle changes resulting from the COVID 19 pandemic is the mandatory use of face masks in all public spaces. Wearing a mask, especially when in close proximity to others, is imperative to slowing the spread of COVID 19. There is a predominance of evidence that surgical mask protects both the wearer and. So, to throw some more light on this topic for today's episode of exclusive series of COVID Chronicles, we have two very eminent personalities with us today who would be talking about double masking. Our first speaker for today is Dr. Shashank Joshi, who is a practicing endocrinologist and diabetologist and has topped all throughout his MBBS, MD, and DM with gold medals. We also have with us Dr. Ashok Kumar Gupta, who is a renowned reconstructive plastic surgeon of the country and had been awarded the highest honor of Padma Shri by the President of India in 2009. Dr. Ashok Gupta is a highly accomplished surgeon and teacher affiliated to a few most prestigious hospitals in the country. Can double masking be beneficial? Let's hear from our speaker. Dr. Shashank Joshi is also the recipient of Padma Shri Award.
I must congratulate and thank Dr. Ashok Gupta for starting this double masking movement in the country. But when the corona pandemic started, in fact, WHO also erred and made a mistake, thinking that this is not airborne or aerosol droplets. While last year in March, they realized that mask is the most important vaccine on planet Earth for COVID. You will have first generation vaccine, second generation vaccine, you will have different types of vaccines, you will get COVID, you will get immunity, you will get antibody. Only vaccine against corona is a appropriately fitting mask. And I think that is the key. And therefore, in the COVID appropriate behavior strategy, masking is the main weapon against spread of transmission. The details of mask, how to wear, what mask to wear, what to do, is something Professor Gupta will tell us. What I want to tell you is, first thing is, COVID is a aerosolized drop and an airborne infection. And therefore, in order to mitigate its transmission, masking is mandatory. And whenever you unmask, like even when I'm speaking now, and because I am in a public environment or in a private environment, I should always be wearing a mask. The mistakes people make is don't unmask when you're speaking. Don't unmask except when you have to eat. Don't unmask in a toilet. Don't unmask unless and until there is nobody around. So unless and until you are in a bio bubble, there is no need not to mask. So masking is mandatory. Even if you're vaccinated, even if you have antibodies, you could still get the infection. So it is mask, mask and mask. And double masking is particularly useful because we live in city of Mumbai and a lot of parts of India, there are crowds. So in a crowded environment where social distancing is impossible, sanitization is tough, like traveling in a local train, traveling in a bus. Double masking forms a more efficient protective rail. And all over the world, from CDC, United States, NIH, Professor Fauci, everybody has been advocating double mask as one of the most efficient vaccines on planet Earth for COVID. If you really want to make a dent on COVID, it is double mask. Now request Professor Ashok Gupta to tell us how to use double mask. What does he feel how it is? Because in a surgeon's life, masking is a way of life. How to use this mask, how to wear this mask, which mask to use when, how to use them, and what made you think of having this movement of double mask?
Thank you, Dr. Joshi, for giving the insight of the use of mask. And I'm very happy that we have chosen this topic. Double masking is a medical mask, in which I'm saying during the COVID time, COVID-19 pandemic, there are different types of face masks which are used as surgical masks and cloth masks have been employed against the spread of COVID-19. As Dr. Joshi has mentioned, the best vaccine as on today available in the world is a mask maintaining a social distance and the hand hygiene. Unfortunately, our population has failed to follow and sustain good COVID behavior either because of ignorance or indiscipline or stubbornness. There are a variety of masks available, which is the bottom. At the bottom of the mask is a regular mask, which are two-ply masks. To the high end of the mask is N95. We need to verify which type of population need N95 and which type of population are okay with the regular two-ply mask. Is very, very important. These are commonly known as surgical masks, which are of 3 layer or 3 ply. The outer layer, which is the permeable layer which allows the air to come inside, is either dark color or blue color or green color. The inner layer of the mask, which is always a white color, proof and does not allow liquid and fluid to go out. Many times when surgeon is operating, there are some secretions including saliva, etc. That's the reason white layer is a fluid resistant layer. So the correct method of wearing the mask is must be snugly fitted on your nose with a clip and they should be tight. In rare situation when we are faced with high standard of surgery or in COVID conditions when there is a lot of contamination, it is recommended to wear double mask or 2-layer mask. It means the double layer, second layer mask should be white layer outside, so it will protect the wearer from any scoop or fluid coming out from the person who is from outside and either sneezing or coughing in front of you. So with white layer outside and a blue layer inside will give additional double protection, and with the current study it has shown that up to 90% of the protection has been achieved by wearing a double mask. So if you wear a double mask, ensure that white layer is outside in the outside. Then you can combine surgical mask with a cloth mask, and on top of it surgical mask with a white layer inside and blue layer outside. He can wear additional cloth mask this fashion. The recent study done in USA and UK has shown that wearing a cloth mask on surgical procedure mask give almost 90% protection from the viruses. The IIT Powai has developed in a new technology a chemical which can be coated on the cloth and which gives additional protection of, so that any person who is sneezing or coughing in front of you, his droplet will not enter your area, and this gives almost 98% protection, and this is called as an N98 mask. So it is very important to wear mask, very important to wear mask properly.
नमस्कार, मी आज तुम्हाला सांगू इच्छिते की योग्य मास्क कुठला आहे व तो कसा वापरावा आणि तो कसा ओळखावा. हल्ली जे बाजारात कापडी मास्क आले आहे, डिझायनर मास्क आले आहे, कोणी म्हणतात चांगला जाडाजुडा आहे, असा आहे तसा आहे, पण ते काही कामाचे नसतात. हा जो मी तुम्हाला दाखवते सर्वसाधारण ह्याला म्हणतात सर्जिकल मास्क, हा एक योग्य मास्क आहे. ह्याचा बाहेरचा रंग डार्क असतो आणि आतला रंग पांढरा असतो आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये एक लेअर असतं, त्याला बॅरियर म्हणतात. म्हणजे हा जनरली 3 प्लाय मास्क याला म्हणतात. आउटर लेअर, इनर लेअर आणि मिडल लेअर. आउटर लेअरचा काम असं आहे की बाहेरचं काही पण लिक्विड, जसं कोरोना हे ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन आहे, तर दुसऱ्यांच्या तोंडातली थुंकी, त्याचे स्प्लॅशेस उडाले किंवा एखादा डॉक्टर काहीतरी ऑपरेशन वगैरे करतोय तर त्या पेशंटच्या अंगातलं लिक्विड वगैरे डॉक्टरांच्या तोंडावर उडू नये. म्हणजे हा बाहेरचा जो आहे लेअर तो आहे रिपेलंट, म्हणजे तो बाहेरचं कोणाचे ड्रॉपलेट आपल्या ज्यांनी मास्क घातलाय त्याच्या तोंडावर अंगावर येऊ देत नाही. आणि मिडल लेअर जो आहे त्याला म्हणतात बॅरियर लेअर, त्याच्यात हे सगळे बॅक्टेरिया आणि व्हायरसेस ॲब्सॉर्ब होतात. आणि आतला लेअर आहे सगळ्यात, हा जो पांढरा लेअर आहे तो आहे मॉइश्चर ॲब्सॉर्ब करतो. म्हणजे एखाद्या डॉक्टरांचं सुद्धा तब्येत वगैरे समजा ठीक नसली तर त्यांना जर का शिंक वगैरे आली तर ती थुंकी वगैरे सुद्धा बाहेर पेशंटच्या किंवा दुसऱ्या कोणाच्या अंगावर उडणार नाही, कारण हा आतला लेअर जो आहे ते सगळं ॲब्सॉर्ब करतो. तर हे फार महत्वाचं आहे. मास्क असा करेक्ट पद्धतीने घालायचा. पांढरा भाग आहे जो आतमध्ये ठेवायचा ॲब्सॉर्बंट लेअर, मिडल लेअर आहे तो बॅरियर लेअर आहे आणि बाहेरचा जो आहे रिपेलंट आहे. तर सर्वसाधारण माणसाला काही N95 मास्क वगैरे घालायची गरज नाही. अगदी जे डॉक्टर्स किंवा नर्सेस कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंटची काळजी घेतात आहे त्यांनाच फक्त N95 मास्कची गरज आहे. सर्वसाधारण माणसांनी साधा आपला सर्जिकल मास्क वापरावा. आणि तुम्हाला वाटत असेल की गर्दीच्या दाटीच्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही गेलात लोकल ट्रेनमध्ये किंवा अगदी गर्दीच्या ठिकाणी, तर तुम्ही डबल सेफ्टी म्हणून तुम्ही डबल मास्क वापरा.
The COVID-19 has been, as explained by Dr. Joshi, is predominantly spread through respiratory droplets, cough, sneeze, etc. And the mask is the only way of protecting yourself. So be careful and be wise in choosing the right mask in a right combination.